Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to unpack a Operation Christmas Child shoebox for a boy ages 5 to 9. And this box is just kind of an eclectic mix for just a fun-loving guy. Open it up, here's what you see. And we start off with this monkey. I think he's just really cute. And there's Velcro on his hands so he can hang on things, and I just think he is adorable. All right, next, this is pretty silly. I put it all in a plastic bag to kind of squish the air out so that it won't take up as much room. This was actually a freebie at a convention, if I can get it out. It is a crab hat. I mean, that is just gonna be so weird and so fun, I think, for some little boy. We have a notebook for school, and we have a coloring book. This is a Minions coloring book. And it's got a few other activities in it. We have his school supplies. So with his school supplies, there are some crayons and a glue stick. He's got blue pen, black pen, novelty pencil, red pen, full-size scissors, pencil sharpener, big eraser, some puffy stickers, and I think I will add a few more pencils to this pack. It looks a little low. Next, we have some flip-flops. These are really cute. They have little sharks with sunglasses on them. They say Jossum. They kind of go with a crab hat, right? Okay, we have a cup, and this cup with a lid has a straw in here as well, and it changes color. Inside of the cup, we have a jump rope. So this jump rope is made out of old t-shirts, and I will have a link to the video where I show how to make these jump ropes. And monkey sit up. We also have a pair of sunglasses. We have a fire truck, a comb, a little, kind of looks like a little alien type thing keychain, and an alien stress ball. There's still a lot more. We have a shuttlecock for badminton. So not only do you play badminton with these, but you use them like a hacky sack, and I will print out some directions to put with it to make sure that he knows that you can kind of play it like you would with a hacky sack. We have this car. It is a dinosaur car, and it is a pullback and it goes forward type of car. So fun. I have a cross for him on a necklace. Whoa! Hopefully he doesn't do that. We have a dangerous flying disc. No, it's not dangerous. It's just a frisbee. And we have a little set that has some nail clippers and some nail files. A green toothbrush. We have this cute little bendable robot guy. And then we have some craft kits. So this kit I just made up with just extra crafty things like foam stickers and puffballs and some glow-in-the-dark stars, just a variety of things. This craft kit I got from Hobby Lobby. They had a whole bunch. I put markers with it. It's like a little ornament of Jesus's birth that he could color. And this craft kit also came from Hobby Lobby. It is a scratch art thing, and I broke them up into these packs so that each kid could have one, and there weren't enough sticks, so I just put a toothpick in here so that he could use to scratch with. Here is my note for him. I put it on one of the cards that I make. I make cards, and then a picture of my family so that he kind of has an idea of who made this box for him. There is a 6-inch ruler that has both centimeters and inches on it. there's a mustache sticker because, you know, why not? We've got little clapping hands and this green backpack. Okay, and yep, that's it. So I really hope that this young man will enjoy this box that I packed for him, and that he will know God's love and be able to accept Jesus into his heart. Official collection day is coming up soon in November, so if you haven't packed a box yet, why don't you go ahead and pack a box? I hope that you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Toodles!